Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited to share something incredible with you all, how I managed to get unlimited coins and points in FC Mobile 24. If you've been struggling to advance in the game or just want to dominate your opponents, this method is going to be a game changer for you. Let's dive right in. First, I'll open up the game to show you exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, I have an insane amount of resources, all thanks to this amazing trick. With this many coins and points, you can easily upgrade your team, buy the best players, and crush any competition that comes your way. Now, let me explain how this works. The best thing about this method is its simplicity. You don't need to jailbreak your device or perform any complicated steps. It's straightforward and easy to follow, which means anyone can do it. Plus, it's completely safe and won't harm your device in any way. Another great feature of this method is its compatibility. Whether you're using an iOS or an Android device, you can use it. It works seamlessly on both platforms, so no one gets left out. Alright, before we jump into the step-by-step tutorial, make sure you have your game open and ready. Follow along closely, and you'll see how easy it is to start racking up those unlimited coins and points. Let's get started. First, let's start by adjusting a couple of settings to optimize your device for this app. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called rocketmods.com. RocketMods is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for FC Mobile and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the green button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry. This step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.